Objectives to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Example. On this one, you tell me what it is that I have to do, and we'll go step by step. What is the first thing we need to do?
Times 3x cubed or divide. To the right, you
It'll be 3x squared over that 2x squared thing.
I was going to say x times x, but you can just use these.
Yeah, 3x squared, and that comes from this. 3x to the third divided by x. So 3x squared goes over the minus 2x squared, and then what do I do?
U times 3x squared by 1, well, x and then 1.
Yeah, 3x squared by x and then by 1. So that's 3x to the third and plus 3x squared. Now what? Subtract. And what happens to the 3x to the thirds? Cancel. And what is negative 2x squared minus 3x squared?
Negative x, right? No.
Negative 5x squared. Then what do I do? Drop the 4x.
And then it would be negative 5x on top.
Right, negative 5x, and that comes from negative 5x squared divided by x. So we put it up here and then do what?
Negative 5 times. Well, negative 5 times x times.
Yeah, negative 5x times x,
Yeah.
and then negative 5x times 1. So that's negative 5x squared minus 5x. These cancel. And what is 4 minus a negative 5? So that would be 9x. Drop the minus 1. And what do I put up top? Plus 9. 9 times x and 9 times 1. These cancel, and negative 1 minus 9 should be negative 10. Solution for the practice problem. You have to multiply x by x squared to get x cubed, and then you'll also have minus 2x squared. Subtract and cancel, and you're left with 6x squared. Drop the minus 3x. You should have 6x, and multiply that by x minus 2 to get 6x squared minus 12x. When you subtract, you cancel, and you're left with 9x. Drop the minus 1. You'll have a 9 up top. 9x minus 18. Subtract. You should be left with 17. Solution for the practice. X times x squared will give me x cubed, and then you'll have 3x squared. Subtract, cancel, and you're left with negative 6x squared, and drop the 4x. You should have a negative 6x here to get negative 6x squared, and then negative 18x. Cancel, and you'll have 22x. Drop the minus 2. This should give you a 22 here, and then 22x plus 66. Cancel, and you should have a negative 68 left over. Solution for the practice problem. You should have a 2x squared here to get 2x to the third minus 10x. Actually, that's plus 10x squared. And subtract. Those cancel out, and you'll have a negative 11x squared plus 3x. You'll need a minus 11x here to get a negative 11x squared minus 55x. Cancel, and you're left with 58x. Drop the minus 1. And you'll need a plus 58 on the top, so you can have 58x. And that'll be plus 290. Subtract, cancel, and you should have a negative 291 left over.